Hey guys, thanks for coming back to the channel. This is a fun video that we're not sponsored for, but this is a product that I am so excited about. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description. Let me show you guys how to make salsa with the best chopper ever. Welcome to Hidden Valley Homestead, where my wife Olivia and I escaped the city to homestead our off-grid property in Idaho. This is our journey. All right guys, so this is the chopper right here. It is made by Kuhn Recon. This is a really cool chopper. It is a handheld. I'm gonna show you guys how this thing works. So guys, you know, you're using a knife and you're trying to cut up the tomatoes and you're trying to get them nice and finely chopped and make nice even pieces, and you finally lose patience and you just start throwing chunks in, right? This thing is so fast and so easy, and you can make a small amount or you can make a large amount. It doesn't matter. It makes it super easy. Let me show you what's in the box. There it is, guys. It's really simple. Now I'm going to tell you guys, these blades, it comes with a protective cover for a reason. They are razor sharp. I already cut myself one time with this thing. So you take the cover off, you put the blades back in here, you put your veggie that you're going to chop, you put the top on, and you pull like a lawnmower. Watch this, guys. And one more. That's it. Look at those jalapenos finely chopped in there, you guys. It's perfect. Ooh, can smell it. That's it. Now let's put the tomatoes in here, guys. Oh, better put the blades back in. Again, watch these blades. They are super razor sharp. Don't touch them. Okay, put the top back on. It's got little rubber bottom on there so it doesn't slip on the table. Hold it down, pull. I think that's it. Yeah, one more try. Two more pulls. There we go, guys. Oh my gosh, you guys. It is the perfect size chips for your salsa. I'm gonna put the rest of this tomato in here. You know, I'm gonna put the blade in. Here's the garlic. And, oh, you know what? Let's just do the garlic really quick. So you can cut it into smaller pieces like that. Put those suckers in there. Put the tomato in. And I'm gonna put a little more onion in here. So there you go, guys. Put the small pieces in here. Put your top back on. You have to make sure that this little hexagon orifice meets with the top of the blade driver. Okay, here we go. The more you pull it, the finer it is. We like ours kind of fine. The blade comes right out. Oh my gosh, this is so perfect. There it is, guys. I think I'm going to put two more of these in. Is that okay?
Those are really spicy. I would taste it.
You sure? All right, let's taste it first then.
You know I'm a white-sican.
This is true. Look at that, guys. How easy is that? Sprinkle of salt. Sprinkle of black pepper. That's perfect. Guys, you guys want a good chopper. You guys need to buy this chopper. I'll leave the link down in the description. You guys can order it. Click on that link, order one of these things. They're cheap. I think they're 25 bucks. Yeah, there it is, guys. Comes with everything you need. It's easy to wash. You rinse it off and you wash it. Easiest salsa maker ever. Check it out, guys. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. Man, that is perfect. Give me a big scooper. Oh, yeah. Best salsa ever.